Start by opening FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive. If it's already active, you'll find the icon in the top bar. Otherwise, open the App Store app and launch it from there. Click on Plus Add Server to begin creating a new connection. Choose the connection type from the drop-down menu. Select Backblaze B2. You can name the connection for easy reference. Skip it to let RemoteDrive name it automatically based on the server's name. Now, we're going to retrieve our login credentials from our Backblaze account. We will generate a new API key by creating it from the Backblaze panel. Finally, we'll copy and paste the respective access key ID and secret access key. Click Add and Connect to set up and establish the connection. If prompted, review the server certificate. Flag, though, always trust this certificate to prevent future prompts, and then click OK. If it is the first time you connect to the server, Finder will ask you to enable the connection. Perfect! We've successfully added a Backblaze connection. FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive, your all-in-one file transfer solution. Get it now on the Apple App Store.